going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new episode of flipping cheap cars for big profits. In today's video, guys, we are going to be working on a Seat Altea. I'm actually at the paint shop right now to get a can of paint mixed up for the wing that we purchased, remember, and we need to get the ring that's damaged taken off, the headlight, and we need to fit the new parts as well as paint them, get the car cleaned and listed for sale. So stay tuned. Let's get this can of paint done and get on with the work, and potentially show you how I get my cars prepped and ready for sale. So let's get on with this day. Right, guys, as you can see what the panel looks like, just to give you guys a little recap. That is it. Pop that off, and then we've got one underneath here, which is going to be a nightmare. So let's get on with it. I'm not going to record the process of doing it because I just want to get it done. Stay tuned. Right, peeps, I've managed to get the wing off, I've got the headlight off, and trust me, this is not good, mate. It's meant to be a cat-and car, but this does not seem like a cat. And have a look at this. So I've got the wing on, and the wing does not fit properly. This is actually bent in, and if you actually look at that chassis over here, it's actually caved in or creased in. It's going to need to be pulled straight out. This whole thing needs to be pulled straight out because it's actually way out, and the bonnet doesn't close, it doesn't line up. If you have a look at this side here, there is no crease at all. So it's more, this is more like a Cat S car, to be honest. Absolute piss take, to be fair. And to top things off, we've gone and broken the side window as well. So yeah, not a good day. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video on this bad note, and guess tomorrow I'll be starting work on something else and just put this to one side. So stay tuned, guys. Oh yeah, guys, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.